Ay, Baño. For 10 to shoot. 10. Anyo for 3. No good. Tabi ka ng bola. Tuwa ng triple ka. Tuwa Alberto. Pasa sa ilalim ni Francisco. Francisco Togarcia. Alberto, ganda ng ikot ng bola. Abyong. Ang susulok sa palpal ni Hukom. Labaw. On the glass, no good. Rebound by Alberto. Francisco sa ilalim kay Abyong. Basket, 2 points. Tayo. Intercept by Abyong. Long pass to Alberto. Alberto to Francisco. Third drop shot, no good. With the same ball. Labas ni Galicia. Abyong susubok sa 3. No good. Rebound by Tayo. Ano ulit? Magawa ng bola. Garcia. Triple ka. Pull up jumpers. No good. Pull up jumpers ulit. Rebound by Francisco. Out of bounds. With a save ball. Bola ng Pasul. Then to shoot. Alberto for 3. Then 3 points. Run score 36-35. With a 1-point lead ng 93. Pull up jumpers, no good. At by foul. Substitution rep. Jersey number 22. First personal foul. First team foul. Garicho. Nakahinga ang Nubin Tabang. 1-point lead na lang. Nakakabulin. Abyong pull up. No good. Rebound pa ni Antog. Antog. Dire-diretso. With a pull up jumpers. Hindi daw siya papayag. 3-point lead. Francisco. At nakagawa ng foul. Kay Lataw. Kay Hukom. Holding foul. Jersey number 21. First personal foul. Second team foul. Hey! Alberto. 3-point attempt. No good. Kaping ka ng bola. Rebound by 3-4 ka. Francisco nag-fake at nakakuha ng foul. Pass ball. Jersey number 18. First personal foul. Third team foul. Francisco. May ka. 10 to shoot. 5. Shot clock violation. Benavides for 3. No good. Rebound by Okong. Okong. Pipilit. Natapik ka ng bola. Alberto. To Francisco ulit. Pull-up jumpers. No good. Rebound by Francisco. Pull-up ulit. No good. Long pass of Benavides. Benavides falls over. Okong. Pull-up jumpers. No good. Nalay na. Fabio for 3. No good. Rebound by Francisco. Pull-up jumpers by 2. Nakakundi. Makandong set ng play. And the shoot. Benavides sumubok ng 3. Time out. Ruben Tabang. Remaining time.
What can you say about the game? Huh?
And clean up bowling.
Can you say about
One thing about the game, it's very loud.
Guevara. To Garcia. For them to shoot. And pull-up jumpers by Alberto. 25. Tangan ng bola. Pasa ka Benavides. To Anyo. Anyo to tayo. Lazaro. Lazaro for 3. Airball. At nakakuha ng foul with a bonus free throw. Jersey number 28. Ushika. First personal foul. 14 foul. Warning for penalty. Basket. Down to 3-point lead. 41-38. Ano, pull-up jumpers, 2-point. Assist by Vergara. Garcia for Alberto. Alberto for 3. Airball. Tayo, set ng play. To Anyo. 10 seconds to shoot. Benavides for 3. No good. Rebound by Guevara. Vergara. Akawan ng bola. Lazaro on the glass. 2 points. Nadadagdagan ang lamang. Anyo, as replay to Lazaro. Lazaro susubok sa 3. No good. Kuha pa rin Anyo. Anyo. Long pass to Benavides. Set down. 3-point attempt. No good. Rebound by Abiog. Abiog. Diretso. Pinasa kay Francisco. Pull up. Jumpers. No good. Rebound by Vergara. Vergara. Intercept. Francisco. Set down muna. On the glass. Timeout 93. Remaining time 2 minutes and 25 seconds.
Fourteen seconds to shoot.
Lazaro.
Ten.
Ay, intercept by Francisco. Francisco, nag-iisa. Easy two. Bukong. Pagaling. Tumama sa tuhod. Out of bounds. Avion. Balik kay Garcia. To Triboga. On the locus. At nakakuha ulit ng foul. With the same ball. Penalty. Jersey number 25. Second personal foul and penalty. Basket, substitution rim. Down to 2-point lead of 1993. Isang ball possession lang. Lalamang patatag.
14 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot.
Lazaro on the glass. No good. Abyog. At nakakuha ng foul ang tumakandok. Jersey number 18. And penalty na. Second personal foul. And penalty. One point. Down to 1. Sasablay o tatabla? Tabla! Deadlock! 45! One minute!
14 to shoot.
Tayo!
10 seconds to shoot.
Tuhugong, balik na tayo. Tayo ang susubok. Sablay.
14 to shoot.
Winabiris.
10.
Makandok, polot. Kundi. Lamang ulit ng dalawa. 35 seconds. Triple ka, Dolobus. Nilabas ulit.
10.
Garcia. Fake. Nilabas ang bola sa Abyong. Abyong polot. No good. At may foul. Nakakuha ng foul. Jersey number 28. Second personal foul. Penalty. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds remaining time. With the 14 seconds to shoot. Basket 1 point. Down to 1. Yan. Deadlock 47. 10 seconds. 5. And on the third quarter, running score, Deadlock 47. Back to the ballgame. Francisco set up play. Dribble ka. Jersey number 9. Second personal foul. First team foul.
Fourteen seconds to shoot. 14 to shoot.
Francisco. To Abiog. At nakakuha ng foul. With a bonus free throw. Jersey number 13, Villarreal. First personal foul. Second team foul. Garcia on a bonus free throw. Sasablay. Lalaman. Yun, nakita rin. Makakatikin kaya ng kalamangan ng blue. One point lead. James Taylor. To Guam. To Anyo.
14 to shoot.
Villarreal for 3. No good. Lago.
10 seconds to shoot.
Lazaro for 3. Hey! 2-point lead with the James Taylor. Substitution rep. Tawag. Jersey number 15 out. Jersey number 5 in. Alberto receive the ball. To Francisco. Francisco ng fake. Sa ilalim kay Tribolga.
14 to shoot.
Abiog. Nag-fake ulit. Bitawan ang bola. Anyo. On the board.
14 to shoot.
Villarreal pull up. 2 points. 4-point lead. Patuloy ang kalamangan.
Ready to shoot.
At may foul. Jersey number 13, Villarreal. Second personal foul with the third team foul. Salay. 4-point lead. 93. No good. Anyo.
Ready to shoot.
Anyo, umikot. On the glass, no good. Long pass to Garcia, receive. Pass replay. Francisco to Abiog. Sa ilalim. No good. Tingnan ang bola. At nakakuha ng foul. Jersey number 51. Second personal foul with the first team foul. Villarreal. Set and play. Ikot down.
14 seconds to shoot.
Anyo, tapi ka ng bola.
10 seconds shot clock.
10 seconds to shoot naman. Villarreal. Pinali kay Anyo. Hukom.
5 to shoot.
Hukom pull up. Connect for 2.
Seconds to shoot.
Garcia. To triple down. Tapping out. Nakita ni Red. Kicking the ball. Turnover. Wala. Time out. Second play to Hukom. Hukom sa ibabaw. Tumailalim. Nagawa ng foul. Jersey number 5. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Lamaw! Easy 2. Nakasigat ng daanan. Garcia to Francisco. Pull up. Rebound by Villarreal. Ano? Natawid ang bola. Pass break. Natapikan. Alberto. Abiog. Ang susubok sa tres. Connect. Down to 5-point lead. Of 93.
14 seconds to shoot.
Hukom, pailalim.
10.
At natatikan. Nakita na rin pang foul with a 2 free throw. Bonus. Jersey number 13, fourth personal foul. Warning for exclusion. Third team foul. Basket count. Balik sa 6. 6-point lead. Basket, 7-point lead by 93. Garcia nagmamadali to Francisco. Pinasa kay Alberto. Sa ilalim kay Tripolca at nagagawa ng foul. Basket count at may kasama pang foul. Basket count, jersey number 9. And 1. Jersey number 9, third personal foul. 14 foul, warning for penalty. One bonus free throw. Niluwag. Ayaw na ining. Remaining
14
time,
seconds to shoot.
5 minutes to play.
10.
Intercept by Abreu. At nakakuha ng foul. Out of bounds. Out of bounds. Rather, out of bounds.
Play, come on!
Abion, okay. Ulat. Basket. Three-point lead. Down to 3-point lead.
14 seconds to shoot.
55-58. Out of bounds. Francisco. Fabio. Bilang kay Francisco.
30 to shoot.
Alberto.
10.
Fabio, nakasilang sa gitna. Triple ka. Easy two. Down to 1-point lead. 58-57.
14 seconds to shoot. 10.
Bubong o na low post. No good. Tapi ka ng bola.
14 to shoot.
Rebound by Labaw. Lazaro for 3. No good. Rebound by Francisco. Francisco. Set mga ng play.
14 seconds to shoot.
14 seconds to shoot down.
10.
At may foul. Jersey number 13. Holding foul.
Timeout.
Timeout. 93. Remaining time 3 minutes. Both teams, 1 remaining timeout. Both teams, 1 remaining timeout. One point, it's a deadlock. Makakatikim kaya ng kalamangan ulit? O sasablay? Basket! Case Favor! Pangalawang beses, nakatikim ng kalamangan with a 1-point lead. Villarreal.
14 to shoot.
Hellball. Hellball with a save ball. Out
11
of
seconds to
position.
shoot. 11 seconds shot clock.
Labaw. Inbound to Macandog.
10.
Macandog. Na-foul ni Alberto. Jersey number 5. Third personal foul. 14th foul. Warning for penalty.
Fourteen to shoot.
Macandog. Nahingi ng screen.
10.
Macandog pa ilalim.